There's a new AI photo app that came out, and I've been seeing it all up and down my timeline. Remini. People have been paying apparently $10 to see what they'd look like if they were happy. And
but you ain't lying though.
This is pretty bad. Yeah.
Dude,
all right.
my lashes.
I'm just being honest. I've seen people get to be like all the professions they thought of when they were growing up. Brides, and they get to see the children that look like them, not them.
Not boys happy as shit.
I'm really crying. Really.
That's yo. What if you already got a mom and she's looking at AI babies and she got a real baby in front of her?
But they just got an ugly baby and they're looking at the new baby, the AI baby, like, damn, that's what my baby could look like.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yo, you got real kids and you looking at fake kids.
I'm crying, but no, really.
That's wrong.
Oh my God.
Women are going too far with this app, yo.
Oh my God. I've been like, you know what? Like I've been seeing some of my people, post shit. I got a homegirl. She's plus size too,
It's sad.
And she posted that picture like, oh, this is what I would look like. I said, oh.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Like,
so many people gonna be catfished. Like,
that's what I'm scared of, because now that you got this, and I do the dating apps.
Yo.
And now you got it, like, it's bad enough now because you got transgender people on the apps, and and it's jacked up because you go, oh man, this person looks way too pretty. Let me scroll down, and then you see transgender. Yep, and you something's off about them. You could already tell. So now you got to deal with AI foolishness and people fooling you through AI. So now you're gonna have people. I don't even know what's deeper than a catfish. Are they shark fish? Are they going to shark fish your ass with the fake AI photo? I don't know, but it's
well, they already got the AI doing the voiceovers with the rappers, so
yeah.
all they need is a script.
They're gonna be hustling.
Like I said earlier, I refuse to do that shit. Be walking down the street and bump into myself.
Yeah.
Hell no.
Hell
no.
And you don't know what they're doing with your face. I mean, they're going to take these images and do something with them.
I think it was saying something about stop taking pictures of your children. Pictures talk. I'm pretty sure they can come up with something.
All I know is when I submit my information to apps like these, I get random people from India calling my phone. So I don't know. I always tell people, there are people trying to defend it. They're like, oh, you give everybody information when you have a smartphone and when you open up your iPhone. No. You giving them new information.
Every 10 seconds to take your picture.
Exactly.
To make sure it's you every 10 seconds.
Exactly.
I'm staying Android. You don't need to see me every 10 seconds.
So this is a very scary time we're living in with these AI photos and filters. And I definitely think people go overboard. I think it's going to screw up dating apps. The dating game is already jacked up because we got to go through dating apps, and now it's going to be super jacked up. Filters is already out there. It's just going to be a huge cluster of just unnecessary lying. And you've already got to deal with enough in the dating game, but now we got more lies. But yeah, and people are paying $10 a week or a month to lie to themselves and to you. So, yeah, this is about to jack up the dating game in a very serious way, and I'm very disappointed.
To yourselves.